म्हाका देडाक सुमार कळ्ळें, देडाक फोन येयलो. मागीर हांव अडेजांक हांगार पावलो जाल्यार सगळें कांयच नासलें हांगार. कांय सांगूंक शकना कोणाचें कितें. जळा म्हणटा पळय तेंच. 3 गाडयो, 2 सायकली, दारां. भितुरलें कांय ना, भितुरलें बरें आहा, सारकें दिसता, कांय ना कितें ना, घरां नासलीं. रातच्या 1:30 फोन आयल्लो. हय. मागीर फायर ब्रिगेड बीन येवन पालयलो. जातलो 2-3 लाख सुमार, 3-3.5 लाख सुमार जातलो. हय, चालू जाय. पुलिशे बीन फोन केल्ले आसा, पुलीस ऑलरेडी येवन गेल्ले आसा.
My name is Angela Korea. I'm just a side neighbor of Rajan, and some 2 boys came in the motorcycle. It was late night at 1 o'clock, and they woke me up by horning. They kept on horning, and I was got up from my bed, and my daughters were saying, "Mama, someone is phoning. Please come out." So we came out. Those boys were saying fire. Then afterwards, we looked at the fire. I was helpless because my son was not there at home. And I went and phoned my side neighbor, uh, Rajan, uh, Kalangutkar, and then they answered me. And then I also was panic. I did not know how to talk and what to say. So I called her and I said, "Yo, who's up at Lamasya?" And they came. Then I called my son. He was not there at home. So I called him and I said, "Baba, come. I don't know, fire is caught." Then he was not ready to come. He said, "Mama, I'm gone for party. I'm not ready coming home." So I said, "No, please come, see the fire." And we took a video. My daughter removed the video and we showed. It was 1 o'clock. Some 2 boys, I don't know, unknowing, neighbors from down the bar, no, they have over there. One boy came over there. He just looked over here and he went there. And those 2 boys said, "We are going to inform the police." And they went to inform the police, and the police and those 2 boys came. And that time I came out and she also came out. Fire was already caught up, fully it was caught up, the fire. When we woke up, only the flame was too much. Yeah. Yeah, then after my son came and he had one number of the Nikhil by the name, this nephew, and phoned him and said, "See, fire is caught up, please come." And then they came.